Battery installation. The battery pack utilizes two quick release pins to make a mechanical connection to the frame. Please note, the crawler should never be lifted with the battery pack attached or damage may occur. Roll the battery pack up to the frame bar. Slightly elevate the battery pack on one side to align the pinholes. Depress the button while installing the quick release pin. Repeat the above steps for the opposite side. The battery pack is now mechanically fastened to the crawler. Turn off the red switch before installing or plugging in the battery. While charging, the red switch must always be turned on. Battery charge should never go below 30%. Always charge fully before storage and charge the battery every 3 months during storage when not in use. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team at sales@hillmanrollers.com.
And remember, if it's heavy and you're moving it on concrete or track, Hilman has a solution for you. To explore Hilman's entire powered portfolio, please go to hillmanrollers.com or scan the QR codes below. Be sure to check out our social media content.